The first step you're going to do is you're going to hit stat, it'll bring up this list, then you're going to go to 1, you're going to hit edit, and you're going to hit enter, and then you'll get this L1, L2, and L3 for the X and the Y values.
0 to 100 for the
so
X's.
What you'll do is you'll have L1, you'll go 0, and then you'll enter, and then you go 10, 20, all the way to 100.
How do you find that again? Which one do you click?
Stat, and then you hit edit.
Stat. Oh.
And Tyler, remember you said you understood this whole thing, but you didn't have a calculator, so I don't understand how you understood it.
You hit stat, and then what? How do you click stat? Then you hit what?
Edit.
Use left and right arrows. It's not a touchscreen. There you go.
You use L2, and you're going to put in all the Y values. So 14.7, 19.03, 23.36, 27.69, 32.02, 36.35, 40.68, 45.01, 49.34, 53.67, and 58. And then what you're going to do is you're going to hit second, and you're going to go to mode and quit out of it, right? And
Just go ahead and clear that, Josh.
Oh, quit.
Go back. You got to go to quit again.
So it's not lining up.
Wait. Something happened.
Clear. So now you should have like a blank calculator. Hey, after you're done with that, you're going to hit second and quit. After you're done with your lists, you're going to go second, and then above mode will be quit.
Oh, shoot.
So then, so you're going to go to window, right? You're going to hit window, and then you're going to use your X and Y values, and you're going to set your minimum and your maximum, because if you go to graph, you won't see anything because it will be all off-centered. So you're going to set your X minimum to 0, because your graph will start at 0, and then your graph ends at 100 for X. So I would just set it to like 110. That way you get all of the values in, and it won't be all like blurred. And then your Y minimum, we start at like 14, but you should just start at 0 anyway because it's that close anyway.
Not touchscreen.
Oh yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah. So you'll start at like 0 as well. And then it ends at about 58, but we'll go to like 60 just because we'll get all the values. And then once you do that, if you hit graph, it'll show all your points. But it's still not correct because we need a line to go through all the points. So what we have to go is second and Y equals. And our plots are on. That's what you would do to make sure your plots are on, or else you wouldn't see any of the points. So we're going to go back. And now we go to,
Wait, how do you turn your plots on?
you hit second, you go to Y equals, which will be stat plots.
To go back, you do quit.
Yes.
Second quit.
And now,
Set all my plots.
Turn them on. Josh, can you go through putting plots on again?
yeah. So when you get these on, like to how to get these on? Or,
Yes. How to get the dots up.
So you get the dots up. If you hit graph and nothing's there, what you have to do is you have to go to, you hit second, and you go to,
Right, Y equals.
yeah, you hit second, you go to Y equals. So you'll get this, right? And so what you would do is this would be off. So you hit enter on this, and then you'll move it from off to on, and then that's how you'll get the plots on.
Perfect.
And then you'll put it out, and the settings will save.
Stat.
Stat, yeah. So now we go to statistics, and you want to get the Y equals AX, you want to get the regression equation. So you're going to go to stat, and you're going to move over to calc, and you're gonna go over the linear regression equation, which is number 4. You're gonna hit enter, and then you're gonna hit enter again, and that'll give you your regression equation. So that will be what it is. So it's y equals ax plus b. So you go y equals 0.433x plus 14.7. And then you go to
Y equals.
yeah. So now you go to y equals, and you're gonna put in this equation. So y equals, and you'll hit and you'll go. You put in the linear regression equation.
It's 0.433.
Yeah, 0.433x plus.
14.7.
14.7.
Yeah.
Isn't it y?
Under mode.
Under
Yeah, no, yeah, and there's like a link, it says link above it.
Under mode.
Yeah,
Under mode.
no, under mode.
Oh,
Go back to Y equals.
yeah.
Go, yeah.
Yeah, I hit the arrows. Under mode.
Go back to Y equals.
Yeah, y equals.
No, go over with the arrow.
Move over. Oops. You got to back up.
So hit the thing, the little pad to the right.
0.433
Yeah, I'm gonna. X
plus.
plus 14.7.
It's the link.
And now, with that in place, you hit graph, it'll graph the line.